like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh, so good it hurts. I don't like it. No, I love it.
Alright, off to lunch. I gotta go get something really quick, bring it back and eat it because I got a deadline at 3 o'clock. In a hurry. Not sure what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna go see if I can't find a food truck that's quick. It was good today, it was busy. Had a lot to do. I'm gonna try and get a bike ride in before this rain comes tonight. About 10 miles in, feeling good. I'm just fighting daylight, that's all. Pain in my ass. So, it's pouring down rain. Am I a true cyclist yet? You see that cloud? That is just downpour. I'm soaking wet. So I have come to a turnaround point and I'm about 16 miles in, almost there. So I'm gonna hold up here for like 5 minutes and try and let this cloud pass by me because I don't want to have to go into it and stay. Whoa. Alright, back to it. These clouds look like they're moving fast, but I'm just gonna get stuck in rain.
Can you keep your mouth shut? All your secrets stay safe. All your lies will lay. All your stories are stains. On that mattress, you can't even tell your mirror. Anyone can seem so sincere. Watch whatever you volunteer. Voices argue all over. Better check yourself. Is the best part of you the part kept to self? Won't ever forget how it felt. Look at how well you dealt with the guilt now. All your stains on that mattress. All your secrets stay safe. All your liars will lay. All your stories. You got a secret, but everybody does. In the whole damn courtroom wanna be the judge.
You don't have to be afraid. Now guess who's back on a brand new track? They got everybody in the What's your fantasy? I see it's on the keys down in Mexico. You can put your feet up.
I'm like 6 miles long. Check out this banging rainbow. Yeah.
Take a hilt to the Radisson and suck on my saccharin. Start the engine, move the piston. I'm just a magician, dressed as a musician. Trying to caught that fancy fever. Now they softer and sweeter than cotton candy. Rocking panties beneath that sweatsuit. Stop the fantasy, here comes the guest.
The bike ride was really great today, but I need everyone's help right now. It's the Bike to the Beach Century, and it starts in DC and it ends in Dewey Beach, Delaware. And currently I'm trying to raise money for Autism Speaks. I need to raise $500. All of your money, every dollar counts. If you give $1, if you give $5, everything is helpful. Please screenshot this next pic. It'll be how to sign up and help me and make sure that you're giving to Autism Speaks. So as you can see, guys, this is my Bike to the Beach page. Please go on, please support me. I'm biking 100 miles for autism. So if you haven't yet done so, please check me out on YouTube. I post all these Snapchat stories on YouTube every day. So it's really easy to find me. You go to the search bar, you type in my name, and I'm the first one that comes up. You click that. So just click this little subscribe button, and I will be eternally grateful. That's it for today's vlog. Please subscribe to me on YouTube. I will see you guys tomorrow.